Oanda Trading Platform. Are you looking for a trading platform that combines simplicity, reliability, and cutting edge technology? Look no further than Oanda, the ultimate trading platform for traders around the world. Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel, Wide Food. If this is the first time stumbling upon my YouTube channel, kindly do well to hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell notification so that you can get notified on every new video that will publish on this YouTube channel. And on this YouTube channel, we'll make videos on how to make money online, how to trade cryptocurrency, tech reviews and unboxing, and a lot more. Hey, welcome back. Traders, today we're diving into the exciting world of Oanda, where you can unlock your full potential your trading potential, whether you are a seasoned pro or just starting out. Oanda has the tools and features to help you succeed in this global market. So as you can see, this is Oanda. As you can see at the top here is oanda.com. We use it oanda.com, tight CFD spread. Start trading on a powerful MetaTrader platform in 3 easy steps. Verification documents not needed when you deposit below US dollar 9,000 naira. Spread from 1.1 points on Germany 30, 1 point on the UK 100, and 0.8 pips on Euro and USD. So you can actually use a demo account here, or you can actually create a new account here where you can make deposits. So as you can see, get Coinbase share CFDs. Open a trading account and meet our minimum times to get up to 6 free Coinbase share CFDs. Conditions apply. Trade now. Excuse me. MetaTrader platform and mobile app. Take a position on MetaTrader 5 from your desktop, mobile or tablet device. We also offer MT4. See our trading platforms. Account features and benefits. Our trading account offers a range of benefits including institutional grade, execution, 24-hour support, and a host advanced features. Spread from 1 point. Our competitive spread from 1 point. Our spread start from 1 point on the UK 100, 1.1 points on Germany 40, and 0.8 pips on Euro USD. We offer Brent crude oil from 3 points and AXU Australia dollar and USD gold from 0.10. Instruments sell buy. Euro USD 1 point. So as you can see, there are a whole lot of features here you can actually go through. We have the Australian. So let us just take a glance at what MetaTrader has to offer. Actually, Oanda offers a user-friendly interface that makes trading a breeze. With an intuitive design and customizable layout, you can personalize your trading experience to suit your unique style. Let's take a closer look at some of the standard features of Oanda. First off, advanced charting tools. Oanda provides a wide range of powerful charting tools, allowing you to analyze your market trends, identify patterns, and make informed trading decisions. Whether you prefer candlestick charts, line charts, or bar charts, Oanda has got you covered. You can even overlay multiple indicators to gain insight into the market. And here is the best part: you can access Oanda anytime, anywhere with your mobile app. So as you can see, you can actually install your mobile app. If you go to Play Store or iOS, you can actually to your Google Play Store. As you can see here, we have below here we have the download on the App Store, and we have get it on Google Play Store. So you can actually get your app and you can trade on anywhere you find yourself, so long there's internet connectivity there. So another point again, Oanda completely has transformed my trading experience. The platform is fast, reliable, packaged with features that give me an edge in the market. So, but that's not all. Oanda also offers competitive spread, low fees, and a wide range of tradable instruments, including currencies, commodities, and indices. So, if you are new to trading or want to enhance your skills, Oanda has an extensive library of educational resources. We're just gonna go off. We're gonna check the product resources. From beginner tutorials to advanced trading strategies, they've got everything you need to level up your trading. So whether you're a seasoned trader or just starting out, Oanda is your gateway to the world of profitable trading. Join thousands of traders worldwide and experience the Oanda difference today. So we're just gonna check some of the features again. As you can see, we have the create account, we have the demo here. You can start trading at the robot. Let's click on the hamburger here and see first trading market plus group, marketing partners, market plus. Let's see, you're just gonna learn there are some of the products. Let's see, you click. Now we have forex here, we have forex overview, spread and margin, hours of operation, holiday trading hours, our charges, our pricing, financing. So we're just gonna click on the overview here to see what we've actually got to offer us. Take a position on 45 forex pairs. We offer competitive CFD spreads on 45 forex pairs, including all the majors and minors. Our spreads start from just 0.8 pips on on euro and US dollars. So account features and benefit. Our trading account offers a range of benefits, including institutional grade execution, done file support, and a host of advanced features. So Oanda and then MetaTrader 5, indices and commodities, CDX. What is FX trading? Forex trading is the buying or selling of one country's currency in exchange for another. Forex is one of the most liquid market in the world, with a trading volume of over 6 trillion per day. The US dollar is the most widely traded currency in the world. We offer free forex trading as a CFD, which allows you to speculate on price movement in the forex market. Benefit of FX trading: you can trade forex CFDs using leverage, meaning you can gain a potentially high market exposure by putting down just a fraction of the full value of your or value of your trade. Higher exposure leads to bigger ups and bigger downs. With forex trading, you can speculate when one currency is rising as well as falling against other currencies. Pricing: our pricing engine aggregates live incoming prices from our tier 1 banks and liquidity providers dynamically select the best bid and the best offer for each instrument in real time. Cost of trading: fairness and transparency. We are at the heart of everything we do. We are upfront about our charges and fees, so you always know exactly how much you're paying with when you trade with us. Learn about our cost for depositing and withdrawing funds, bank wire transfer, spread, inactivity, fees, and more. Funding and withdrawal: it's simple and straightforward to deposit and withdraw funds to and from your Oanda trading account. Funds can be deposited using a number of methods, including credit, debit card, and bank wire transfers. Ready to start trading? Open an account in minutes. You can actually give a try on their demo account, create a free account. Already have a trading account, it's easy to fund you. Can use one of the following payment methods. So they have bank transfer, wire transfer, Visa, Mastercard, Netla, and Scree. So that is it on today's video on Oanda Trading Platform. I hope you actually found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to smash the subscribe button and also like this video. Don't forget to share this video with your friends and family. Thank you, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.